Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's tip is to use lead magnets. Now, lead magnets are something that you can use to give something of value to your customers. Something that you need to keep in mind as you're working through using a website for your business is you have to give to get. If you ask for the sale too early in a process or you expect somebody to respond before you've given them anything of value, you have a chance of losing that customer. So lead magnets are a good way to show your visitor that you actually are providing something of value to them. It can be anything from an ebook to a checklist to a how-to guide or even an infographic. Something that's entertaining or informative, in some way useful to the visitor that you're trying to target. So just make sure that you're providing them with something that's of value, especially if you're asking them to, subscribe to your newsletter or be a part of what your company is trying to offer through your business website. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.